2 weeks ago, I launched my very first boot camp. This isn't a challenge. This was a boot camp. Then I gave everybody who participated in that boot camp 1 week to start to get results, and the results have been great. So in this video, I'm going to be announcing the winners of that last week's contest, as well as giving you a little bit of a heads up of what the future holds for this channel. Before I jump into that, if you're new to this channel, I am referencing a boot camp that if you want to go and start that boot camp of landing your first client or multiple clients, simply go to my YouTube channel and click playlists, 5-day boot camp, and you can follow along these 6 videos of this boot camp. Okay, it really starts on this one, how to land clients in any niche, then building the greatest SMA offer of all time, simple SMA client acquisition, sell and fulfill SMA services, and then the final video is the 1% SMA owners get this one thing, and most people won't actually do it. So with that being said, you can still just go through these videos and accomplish the same thing that so many people have accomplished, landing their first client. Now, what did I actually teach in this? Well, I'm going to jump over to a presentation that I did for GoHighLevel. I think it was Thursday or Friday of last week. I flew out to Dallas. I presented it to their SaaSpreneur. There was like 115, maybe 120 people there for their mastermind. And I presented almost exactly what I presented to everybody there, what I did at the bootcamp. And so this is the process that you can go and follow and get results from. Now, I mentioned on the last video that I did 2 weeks ago, Friday, so I don't know, 8-9 days ago, that the biggest struggle that people have is finding their community and having people support them. If you don't have that in your life, I'm going to extend our coaching offer as well as our mentorship offer with a special link down below on this video. Now, I'm traveling tonight. I leave like midnight, and I'll be traveling and I'll be on vacation with my family for the next 18 days. I will still put up YouTube videos as much as humanly possible, hoping to get 1 to 2 a week while I'm there. Okay, I'm bringing my video equipment, and I'll be able to shoot it. I bought a new laptop to make sure that the quality is still there. Okay, but during that time, I'm going to extend for my vacation week, for this week, that coaching offer, which is $500 off our coaching program, or you could choose to do the mentorship, which will be $1,000 off. You have to book a call down below with that special link so my team knows that you came from this video or the last video, okay? So I wanted to get that out of the way as well. Now, the next thing that I want to do is say congratulations to the winners. So the first winner of our boot camp is Mehdi Hassan. Mehdi Hassan landed 3 clients in a week, 5 days, I think. And so 3 or 4 clients, either one. That's who had landed the most clients. Now, I have a lot of messages where people didn't want to post their results in my free community here. Okay, so if you want to join my free community, make sure you go to school.com/futureagencies. A lot of people, for some reason, and I don't understand this, didn't want to post their results. I don't know if people get a lot of DMs when people say that they landed a client, and then people are like, oh, how did you do it, blah, blah, blah. But I got a lot of them. However, Mehdi Hassan gets the first choice of this. So Mehdi can choose to take the free access to our coaching program, $150 in cash, $350 in cash, or they can claim the free one-on-one. Now, I had a 4-way tie for second place. So I'm going to jump over to my Wheel of Fortune, and we're going to go down and have the wheel choose the second, third, and fourth place. Okay, so Nathan Ash, Jean-Philippe, Shamant Rudolph, and Colin Wood all tied for second place. So when I spin this, the winner, I'm going to go down the line. These are going to be the choices of these. Now, if somebody wins free access, like if Mehdi chooses the free access, then that one is off the table. And so Mehdi gets first choice of these 4 things. Mehdi gets first choice. Who gets second choice? Shamant gets second choice. Okay, then who gets third choice is going to be Colin Wood gets third. And the final choice of the second place tie is going to be, it looks like, Nathan. Okay, so Mehdi Hassan gets first choice. Shamant gets second choice. Colin gets third. And Nathan gets fourth. Guys, you have to get into my future agencies group and DM me here, especially those 4 people, and give me your choice that you want. And then I'll let you know if that choice is on the table or not. Okay? Then we'll figure out on DMs how to collect for that. So it's been a fun 2 weeks. So I want to congratulate everybody who's gone through it, everybody who's gotten any sort of results, and or just you put in the work and you're so much farther now than you were when you first started. Okay, so that is my announcement for that. Now, as far as GoHighLevel, if you guys want to watch my live talk that I did in Dallas, I don't know where GoHighLevel will be offering that. I don't know if you're going to be able to buy a replay or if only the SaaSpreneurs Mastermind ticket holders will be able to watch it. But either way, keep an eye on this channel. I have a lot of stuff to do today to get ready to leave tonight. But this is going to be posting tonight. And keep an eye on my channel and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And I'm going to be looking to do another boot camp in the next month when I get back. So figure end of August possibly could be another boot camp with more prizes. So make sure you turn the notifications on so you are always notified when these things are happening. A lot of things are going on. We are building out offers. We are building out free content, and I'm excited to get you guys even more results. Now, I want to remind you again, if you're at the home screen of my YouTube channel, simply go to playlists and go to the 5-day bootcamp playlist here, and you get to enjoy these 5 days without having to wait, which is another cool thing as well. You can binge watch them. We'll see you in the next video. Appreciate it, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.